We are just out for a walk today. We are in Pascagoula, Mississippi. Just walking out on this fishing pier. And actually, it's pretty rocky. It's probably more for storm damage and protection from this bay here. We're by a shipbuilding facility. Ingalls Shipbuilding, or shipbuilders. They have big naval ships in here and some Coast Guard ships in here, and there's a big parking lot out here. A lot of people are out here fishing the banks, and the Coachmen is way over there somewhere. So back over to here for a minute. There is a bridge that goes across there to an island, which is a naval facility. A lot going on here. Oh, I think I see smoke. I think that big naval ship over there, they just started it up and it's running. Something over there is running. Could be just a tugboat on the other side. Don't know. What do you think, girl? It is a beautiful day. I think the extended forecast is all mid to upper 70s. It's sunny every day. About 60s at night, 60-ish. Couldn't ask for better weather. Bella and I are now traveling solo. We said goodbye to our very good friend Russ for now, and I hate doing that when you've been hanging out with somebody for a while. The day comes where you, and I know some folks say never say goodbye. It's always see ya down the road. It's all the same. It's just words. The reality is you've been hanging with somebody, and it's the same when I leave Pennsylvania, leaving family for a while, or you've been hanging with a friend or friends, and you depart. You know, there's that same kind of somber kind of feeling. That's not sure exactly when you see them again. We do have plans, extremely rough plans. We'll see each other again, and I'll be glad when we do. We will, girl, huh? So we're in Mississippi, Pascagoula, Mississippi, and we will be seeing another friend soon. It's a good friend we always see when we pass through Mississippi. We'll be stopping in to see him for a few days and have a nice fishing pier built here. Fishing area. Even a shaded place. At the very end, they have a well, one of those old hand pump wells that you just pump water right up out of the bay. Oh, it's a fish cleaning station. All right. I think they're testing things on that one ship. They said the phone lines will be down for the next 20.0 minutes. Must be some kind of test on the ship. But look at these. Oh, I didn't even notice. What are these things? I never know. They got that big long beak. I don't know. They'll probably fly away. If you get too close, they're keeping an eye on me and Bella. You better be careful. Did you go in a little bit deep and have to swim in there for a moment? Shake it off. Did you swim a little bit? Yuck. That's salt water. I don't want to drink much of that. Come on. Come on. No, that's yucky. Come on, get out of there. Come on. Come on. Ew, I think it stinks a little bit. Shake it off. You're gonna have to dry off. We're not going back in the RV right away. I know that. Guess we're out for a walk for a while. She kind of sealed the deal on that, huh? Mandatory red snapper reporting. Download tails and scales app to your phone. What was that stinky? Are you trying to rub it off now? Here's something I've never seen before. Is a bike fixing station. The Fix It spot. Fix It, ride it. City of Pascagoula, Mississippi's flagship city. All right. I think these things, you can lift your bike up and put the, the top part of the frame on it and get your bike wheels off the ground or whatever. I think that's what that's for. But look, all these cables go down to all these tools. We got Allen wrench set, power spoons, wrench, and a couple of screwdrivers. And just another little wrench. Never seen a bike fixing station before. Guess I don't get out much, huh? Yeah, there it is. Huh. I guess you can scan your, I think I was right about hanging your bike from the post like that. You can scan the app, I suppose. Scan code for detailed repair instructions. Huh. All right, you still got some drying to do, girl. And every so often they have one of these power stations in the park here. I guess you can plug equipment or lighting into. Here they have kind of a stage, and it's handicapped accessible. Or on the back side of it, you have the ramp. They have this nice stage here, and you see the concrete structure up there. It's, I guess, for the audience. Come on, girl. Couple steps to sit on and enjoy the performance. Guess an area up here for lawn chairs. And a back wall to sit or stand on. Okay, carry on. Let the show begin. What are you gonna do? How about you do something for us today? You got any good tricks? Not really. I didn't train you to be a circus dog, huh? Come here. Although I did train you to listen. Psst, psst. What do you think, girl? Nice day today, huh? All right, there's the Coachmen just over the hill in the Fiesta. And just like that, we've changed locations. We came and found a nice shady spot to park the RV in for a little while this afternoon. We're gonna take a walk down here. There's we came up to the Davis Bayou area. I think it's the national, I don't know, a shoreline or something. Anyway, we're gonna take a walk down here in just a minute. But yeah, in the shade. We've had plenty of solar the last couple of days. Batteries are all happy. I'm gonna grab Bella. We're gonna go down here. Come on. What are you doing? What are you sniffing? Come on. I don't know if we're gonna take this path or not. There's a public restroom down here at a fishing pier, but it's down that way. Or we just might go over to the picnic area. Look out across the waters. Let's just go ahead and take the path, huh? And there's a campground in the area I would love to stay at. I'm gonna haven't done any real or paid for campgrounds on the trip so far, so we might do it first. It's certainly more budget friendly. We're just kind of easing our way down the coast to our friend Craig's house, and some of you know who that is. I might backtrack in a couple of days after we see him for a spell. We might backtrack and actually come up to one of these campgrounds. There's actually 2 of them in the area. I would like to go check them out, maybe. Isn't that a nice sight out across there? And just beautiful weather. We're just having beautiful weather. Let's take a walk out there. Come on, girl. She just wants to try to meet everybody she can. We gotta go over there something. Not legal right now. National Park Service boats here. Yeah, I guess we've seen all there is to see here, haven't we? We don't have no fishing equipment, so take it in the fresh air. Nice family over here, got it all fishing. They brought up a wagon full of refreshments and chairs and snacks. I think somebody put a biscuit down there. Right? Somebody put a biscuit down. I don't know if they was like using bread like you do dough balls. They was using it for bait or feeding the birds or what they do. But Bella's just having a little taste of that. Alright, so I guess we're gonna ease on our way a little further. Okay, I think it's called the Davis Bayou National Shoreline. I think I have that right. Alrighty, I guess we'll head back out the path. Maybe we'll catch the edge of this picnic area. Oh, what a nice place to, what a nice area though, to have a picnic, huh? Nice tables and grills, shaded areas, a view of the Gulf or the bay. I think we're gonna head back up to the RV and have a late lunch and give a holler at my buddy Craig, let him know we're pretty dang close. And then we'll be stopping in to see him. So that is all that's going on for today. Maybe just make us a quick video, kind of just an update where we're at type video and what we're up to. So that's gonna be it. I'll see you soon from further down the coast. See ya.